To be fair, I've had a bit of a journey with Chwarae Teg over the last 4 years, and it's been totally mind-boggling and life-changing for me. And it sounds a little bit corny, but I applied for an award which I never thought I would get, but I filled it in while I was on holiday in Australia because I didn't have time to do it in my work life. And you know, we went to this most amazing awards night, which you know, you've got to go to, even if you just go to experience it. It was amazing. You had all these amazing and wonderful women, and we had such a great night. And then to actually win an award was me and honestly couldn't describe it. I was like, me, I sell safety boots and hard hats. How, you know, when you've got some women that were treating cancer, and I was like, blimey, Rhian from Workplace Work Safe in Ruthin, who sells safety boots, has gone and won an award. And it actually gave me confidence of what we do, and actually, you know, okay, it's not glamorous what we do here, but it's actually a really good job that we do here, and we do make a difference in our own little way. Since then, I did I joined the WEN, which is Women's Equality Network, and that was another journey as well, but I did it because of Chwarae Teg, and who knows what I might do in the future for that. But what I'm trying to do, and I have since, is to say to all the women business owners and the women I get to meet, they're totally inspiring women I get to meet every day, is that they're doing an amazing job, and you know, there's not enough of us, and for them to go for it. I think the work Chwarae Teg does is so important because there is such a disparity in equality and diversity at the minute, and you know, they're constantly fighting to bring that to light and to change it. And you know, I was really proud when I did realise there's a lot of work to be done. Chwarae Teg are working really hard to do that. We've asked their help to get us trained here to be better at what we do, but you know, there's a long way to go, so it's really important. I'm really lucky. I get to work in the wind farm sector where gender equality is really prevalent, and there's the balance is really healthy, and it's all about diversity and equality, you know, and we do see it in other sectors where it's not so prevalent. But when you go onto the sites and you're working with a diverse workforce, who knows what the ideas come out. You know, there's some amazing ideas that are coming out where you just get a group of dynamic people with different thoughts and different ideas of how they can do things, and honestly, some of the solutions are really innovative. So I think it is so important that you have a diverse and equal workforce, because everyone's got a really they've got good points to put into the pot.